Is it really possible to double your money every month? Sounds like a scam, right? But stick around, because we're diving into the real ways people multiply money without lottery tickets or sketchy crypto schemes. Let's keep it 100. Doubling your money every month isn't easy, and it's definitely not guaranteed. But if you're strategic, focused, and consistent, there are ways to see your money grow at a rapid pace. The key is knowing which lane to play in. Start small. Buy underpriced items from thrift stores or online marketplaces and flip them for a profit. People are doubling $50 into $100 regularly because they know what sells. Got knowledge? Package it. Create a simple digital product, a budget spreadsheet, a mini course, a parenting planner. Sites like Gumroad or Etsy let you sell 24/7 even while you sleep. If you already post online, just add affiliate links. You can recommend tools you use, books you love, or apps that really help you out. Start small, like $10 here, maybe $25 there. It actually grows fast with the right strategy. If time allows, combine your main job with a targeted hustle, like mobile notary, freelance writing, or delivery gigs. The trick: reinvest that extra money smartly to double your net, not just earn more. Here's the truth bomb. Most people who double their money, they don't spend the first win. They reinvest it, flip profit into more inventory, turn freelance cash into an ad budget, or invest it. For low stress gains, use high yield savings or CD ladders, slow doubling but safe. Or test robo-investors like Acorns or Betterment. Not flashy, but steady. Listen, you can double your money, but don't chase hype. Chase systems, consistency, and mindset. That's how you multiply without burning out. Book your free 30-minute strategy call, and let's create a plan that works for your real life. Remember, success isn't about juggling everything at once. It's about automating, managing, and dominating, step by step.